Hey everybody and welcome, it's Scarlet Pete here and we're on a rescue mission. Unbelievably, down this hole, my son just happened to be passing it, and down that hole there is a hedgehog that we need to rescue. So we're just working out how on earth we can get him out of that, and we're going to put some water ready for him. So two big boys' heads in the way, one torch, one glove. Right, Louis, are you going to attempt to pull him out? Dilly, you've got the bucket ready to put him safe in? We don't know how long he's been in there, poor little devil. We're going to put him in the bucket and make sure he gets a drink. You got him?
I don't want to squash.
Oh, here he comes. Oh, poor little thing. Yeah, go put the gloves somewhere to get rid of any fleas. So now we're going to give him a drink. Oh look, he's waking up now, look. Poor little thing. How long have you been down that hole, hey? Oh look, I think he'll be happy to be out of there. So let's go get you some water. So you're going to discover the water. Do you need water, little one? And some liver sausage coming now to give him something to eat before we let him go. You can have a drink. Isn't he beautiful? It just seems to be quite a young little one because his spikes aren't very spiky, as they're not like thick. Hello, yeah, we're going to let you out in a second. You have a drink and you can have some meat. No, obviously doesn't need a drink, that's good then. Oh. Yeah, there's a bit of sausage for you. Right, you've had water offered and you had sausage offered. Time to let him go, I think. Right, so we've got this little area here that you can crawl into, little man. Assuming you're a little man. Come on then, this way. This way, look. Come on. Go away dog. Keep the dogs away. It's been a funny day, he says. Well, the chicken's moving more than the hedgehog. So that leaves us the time to go and fill in the hole so no more hedgehogs can get stuck down it. And we'll put a branch over this one to make sure he's safe from any of our animals, because he seems to be stuck now. He's not moving. Oh, speak of the devil, look, he's coming out. He's coming out. There we go, he's going back into safety. Off he goes. Oh, he's safe now. That's a nice result. So we'll go fill in the hole, and we now have a new hedgehog living in the garden. Bye bye everyone, thanks for being here. Like, share, subscribe and comment.